Yeah, when the money has gone, it was very heavy to feel. Let's back to the topic. Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel Belza Janvi. Hi, my name is Janvi and I post makeup, fashion, skin, hair and care related videos. So today's video is all about a mini Myntra haul which include clothing, makeup and footwear. So before moving towards the video, I'll request you all to please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you will be updated with my upcoming videos. Now without wasting any time, let's dive into the I am so sorry if you are getting a noisy voice because I have just on my AC. This scorching heat of Jamshedpur is killing me, seriously. Let's move towards the video. So today the first product which I am going to show you is my Ahika kurtis from brand Ahika. I love this kurti. This is a perfect fitting kurti. It's a printed kurti and it's in a navy blue color. It's a cotton kurti. It has a 3/4 sleeves with this cuffs like this, and there is a button, and there is cost rupees 1198. Its original cost is rupees 1198, but I have got it is in a discount price. The price of the kurti was rupees 575. A very soft material, very nice kurti, very classy. You can pair up with this anything, whether you want to pair up with this palazzo, pants or jeans, whatever you want to pair up with this, you can pair up with this. So yeah, I give a big thumbs up to it. My size is, I'm in size S. Now moving towards my favorite top, that is a floral top. It is from the brand Street and I love this top. This top is so comfortable. The material of the top is polyester and I am in the size, this is a clinched body hugging top and I am in the size M. I love this top. I have a bust size 36. So let me clear you कि मेरा size brand to brand different हो जाता है. If I am saying S, don't think that कि no, she is not looking like S, but it is different from the, it differs from brand to brand. So yeah, pink top this I am wearing. This is from brand Athena. This is a pink barrette top. The sleeves are like this, a barrette type, and this is also a very body hugging top with this broad neck, and I love the color of this top. This top is so sexy. I just love. I'm just feeling like a princess after wearing this top. And the material of this top is polyester and the cost of this top is rupees 584. Yeah, so cheap and so classy, and I'm in the size M. Moving towards my favorite dress is from brand Cespedes, and this, and look at the color of the dress. Oh my god, this sea blue color is so pretty. I have fallen in love when the dress came to me and I just opened the packet. I don't have words to say about it. Matlab, this is so comfortable, very soft material. The material of this dress is poly georgette. It has a 3/4 sleeves and the cost of this dress is rupees 594 and I am in the size M. Yeah, this is a very classy dress, very nice dress. Going for a date or going for a family functions, anywhere you can wear this dress. Now moving towards the next product is the joggers. I don't know how I have become a jogger lover, but yeah, I'm finding it much more comfortable than jeans. If I'm not wrong, the joggers which I have bought is from the brand Laurent Paris. If I'm not wrong, if I'm not pronouncing it wrong. So yeah, this is a cotton jogger and it has a silver piping detailing in it. Very comfortable. I'm in size 30. So yeah, I love this jogger. It's so comfortable. Cost of this jogger is rupees 849. Very cheap and very nice cost. So yeah, thumbs up. Now coming to the makeup part, I have bought 3 eyeshadow palette, and from the same brand, yeah, it's crazy, I know, from the same brand, that is Makeup Revolution, and I am loving this 3 eyeshadow palettes. These are so cool palettes. Oh god, I have got these 3 palettes in discounted price, so you can just see my happiness from my face. These are so cool to get all this. Now the first one is Hypnotic Reloaded Hypnotic Revolution Makeup Eyeshadow Palette. So I have got this combo together. One was Revolution Makeup Revolution London Reloaded Hypnotic Palette, and one is Makeup Revolution Reloaded Marvelous Matte Palette. I have got this 2 in combo, and they just cost rupees 759 together, and the net weight of these 2 palettes is 16.5 gram. These palettes are so pigmented, I can't express my feeling when I bought this. Before this I was using a local company palette, or they were not even a company, they do not have names also. But after using this, I realized, yes, you should buy a good brand palette, so that it will give you a nice look with a pigmentation, and you don't have to do such a hard work before, because when I was using that palettes, I have to dip my brush every next time when I have to create some look. But by these palettes, oh my god, 1 dip of or 2 dip of a brush, you are good to go with this. So yeah, I am loving these palettes. Now the third one of this palette is a Makeup Revolution Reloaded Red Alert palette, and this palette is also very nice. Look at the color. You can create any look with these colors. These are so much colors. The shimmery part is also very pigmented. I don't know if you can see or not, but they are so pigmented, and even the matte parts are also very pigmented. See this. And after that I bought one lipstick. My lipsticks are my weakness, I can say, and the lipstick which I have bought is from the brand Maybelline, and I am in the shade 257 Nude Nuance. Now I have got in 149 rupees, and this is costing rupees 299 if I am not wrong, and I have got in 149 rupees. I was jumping when I got this, and this is a really a steal deal from Myntra. Myntra is nowadays giving out very nice offers. Let me tell you one more thing. The product which I am showing you, I will put it the link I will put in my description box. If you want to buy, you can buy it from there. And now one more important thing is, this video is non-sponsored video. I am not getting anything from Myntra. Everything which I have bought, I have paid it from my pocket, and yeah, when the money has gone, it was very heavy to feel. Let's back to the topic. Now coming towards my footwear, I have bought my footwear from the brand Mast and Harbor. These footwears are so comfy. The cost of this footwear was Women Dusty Pink white color, open toes flat, and the cost I have forgot. I will mention it in the description box. I'm in the size 38, and look at the footwear. That's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Now if you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button so that you will be updated with my upcoming videos. Now we'll meet in our next video. Please comment below that which video you want me to make after this video. We'll meet in our next video. Till then, stay happy and stay tuned. Bye bye.